Are you curious if you can cast your Android IPTV apps directly to Roku? While Roku's platform doesn't allow many native IPTV apps, like IPTV Smarters, there are some clever ways to get around this. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to cast IPTV from your Android device to Roku, making it easy to watch your favorite shows and live TV streams. And as always, we'll be using the premium service from 2tv.store to show you just how seamless this can be. To start, let's go over the steps to cast IPTV from your Android device to Roku. First, ensure both your Roku and Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open your Roku settings and navigate to System, then enable Screen Mirroring. On your Android device, launch the IPTV Smarters app, or better yet, open the 2tv.store app if you have it installed. Swipe down from the top of your Android device and select Cast, choosing your Roku device from the list. You should now see your IPTV stream casting directly to your Roku, and voila, you're watching IPTV on the big screen. Alternative methods. But that's not the only way to cast your IPTV content. If you're looking for other options, apps like Allcast and Web Videocaster work just as well. These apps allow you to cast live TV and on-demand content from your Android phone to your Roku, even if the Roku itself doesn't support the IPTV apps natively. With 2tv.store, you'll have access to an extensive library of channels and movies, no matter which casting method you use. Now, here's an important note. Roku operates a closed ecosystem, meaning they limit what apps can be installed directly on their platform. That's why you don't see many IPTV apps in Roku's App Store. But the good news is, using screen mirroring or casting from your Android device gives you a perfect workaround. It's a great way to keep using Roku while enjoying all the benefits of IPTV with a service like 2tv.store. Casting IPTV from Android offers so much more control. With IPTV apps like IPTV Smarters or services like 2tv.store, you get access to multi-screen viewing, HD streams, and a user-friendly interface that makes channel surfing and browsing a breeze. These features aren't always available on Roku's built-in apps, which is why this Android casting method can be a game-changer for IPTV users. Of course, technology doesn't always work perfectly. Sometimes you might experience issues like lag, buffering, or trouble connecting. If that happens, make sure both your Roku and Android device are on the same network, check your Wi-Fi strength, and limit other devices using bandwidth. With 2tv.store, you're getting high-quality streams, so minimizing buffering should be simple as long as your connection is stable. While Roku may not natively support most IPTV apps yet, casting from Android gives you a powerful solution to enjoy all your favorite live TV and on-demand content. As IPTV grows in popularity, perhaps one day Roku will open up its ecosystem further. Until then, casting from Android and using a reliable service like 2tv.store is the best way to bring IPTV to your Roku. Give it a try and enjoy unlimited streaming.